All right. Court calls a case of the state of Texas versus Rod Stockner, cause number 2020-C08873. This proceeding is being heard in reference to and in compliance with the emergency orders of the Texas Supreme Court and the Court of Criminal Appeals under various miscellaneous docket numbers regarding the COVID-19 state of disaster, the guidance issued by the Office of Court Administration and the El Paso Council of Judges statement to the attorneys of the El Paso Bar in response to coronavirus. May I have announcement of counsel?
Good morning, Your Honor. Omar Silva for the state. We're ready to proceed.
Good morning, Your Honor. James Ray on behalf of Mr. Stogner, and we are ready also.
Okay, you are Rod Stogner?
Hello?
You are Rod Stogner?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, sir. Solemnly swear affirm testimony you may give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, Your Honor. I swear.
All right. What do you have, Mr. Ray?
Good morning, Your Honor. Thank you. Mr. Stogner entered a plea of guilty to a charge of violation of protective order with Your Honor and was sentenced to 12 months of deferred adjudication back on March 24th of this year. Since the beginning of his supervision, Your Honor, Mr. Stogner has regularly reported and complied with all of the terms and conditions of Your Honor's community supervision program. We believe he has satisfactorily complied with all the terms and conditions of his supervision and demonstrated a desire to improve himself in addition to his regular reporting and cooperation with the community supervision officer that was assigned to him. We believe he has paid all his fine and court costs, and Your Honor, we pray that after consideration of our motion, the court would allow Mr. Stogner to be finished and have completed his community supervision with Your Honor and allow for an early discharge.
All right. Mr. Silva, do you have anything?
Yes, Your Honor. The state is opposed based on the nature of the offense. Having Mr. Stogner complete his 12 months of deferred adds a layer of protection for the CW and maintains no contact with the CW, and that is why the state opposes. If the court is inclined, we wouldn't oppose reduced monitoring during the rest of the period of the probation.
Okay. Did he have a history? Are there any priors? He has an assault causes bodily injury that he was convicted on in 2015 and 2 DWI in 1994. All right. Mr. Lujan, he has paid his fees?
Yes, ma'am. He's paid his court costs and fines. He's current on his probation fees.
Completed community service?
Yes, ma'am. He completed his community service, completed his bid class, and the parenting classes that you ordered as well, Your Honor.
And the AA meetings?
Yes, ma'am. He's attending the AA meetings on a regular basis. He provided UAs with negative results, Your Honor, the UAs and ETGs.
And what about the mental health screening?
The mental health screening, Your Honor, they didn't find anything as far as our end, but we did speak, that if he feels anything, he would call me and then we would see if we could set him up with EHN, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. He has done what, almost 7 months of the 12?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because of the prior, I'm going to ask that he do at least 9 months, Mr. Ray. After he has completed the 9 months, I will reconsider the motion for early discharge. If you'll just call the court and remind me.
You will, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Anything further, counsel?
Nothing further from the state, Your Honor. Thank you.
Nothing further from the
Thank you.
defense, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. You may be excused.
Thank you. Have a great day.
All right. Mr. Joseph, I don't see your client in the waiting room. Have you had any contact with him?
Judge, so I just got a call from his father. I haven't had contact with him in about 2 weeks, and it makes sense because he passed away on October 6th. He was a really young guy, so very unexpected, but I even called his bonding company right now, and they said that his father did contact them as well, and he's working on getting them the death certificate. So what I'll do is I'll stay on his case, and then I'll get the death certificate. That way I can forward it to you all.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow. Yeah. All right, Mr. Joseph, thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Good luck to you in
Thank you, Your
your
Honor.
future endeavors.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you. We'll see everybody back